The web has a new prediction from the famous analyst Ming-Chi Kuo regarding Apple's future developments. According to him, they are preparing the release of iPhone SE2 in the first quarter of 2020. It will combine the design of the iPhone 8 with the latest iron hardware. With his prediction, Kuo confirms the many rumors about the new iPhone with the design of the 8th model that appeared during this year. The analyst believes that the new popular device will receive a top-end A13 Bionic processor. However, for the rest of the filling, you should not count on drastic improvements compared to the G8. The insider does not mention anything about the price of the new gadget, but it is expected that its cost will not be much higher than the price of the iPhone 8. In addition, the market suffers from a lack of compact phones, which the 8th iPhone, according to today's realities, is. In fact, Apple will occupy a new niche in the new SE2. Kuo gives an additional reason. He believes that Apple wants to transfer to the new tracks the owners of iPhones from the 6th model and below. For its stable operation, updating to the latest versions of iOS, which are not supported by older models due to insufficient power, is required. Updating SE2 will allow, in theory, to get more subscriptions to Apple Arcade and other services introduced in the latest software versions. Thus, Apple wants to offer an up-to-date smartphone to all those who are not chasing new products, but will appreciate a small model with a familiar design and a new, powerful processor that supports the latest versions of iOS.